All right, we popped through Ayala. You can see it in the background there. Free aircon while I'm walking. So like maybe a block or two from where I'm going. So we're gonna walk over here. Maybe grab something to drink. But one thing about Cebu is the convenience stores all sell beer and coffee and usually food. So I'm gonna hop over here to a place I know. It's pretty nice, little coffee shop slash convenience store. There is a 7-Eleven, but this one is nicer and it has a place to sit and chill. And it's like one street over from the kind of punk street market I'm going to. If we can cross the street without getting hit, that's the difficult thing here. Okay, so we stopped for a quick karaoke sesh. Time to go find this art gallery. Then I've got an appointment to meet with some friends later for karaoke near my house. I actually met an American the other day, which is rare for me. I usually just meet Filipinos, but meeting a guy from a gym and a guy from America. So we'll see how that works out. I think I'm near the art place now. I can see a bunch of spray painting. Hey, bro.
Build your own budget.
Good coffee. Hey, boss. Takoyaki.
There's matcha, there's pizza.
Okay. You work at the hair place?
Yes.
Okay, nice. Yeah, I saw it on Facebook. I was like, I gotta go check it out, man.
You made a right choice.
I know, yeah.
Cebu is pretty busy today.
Yes, I noticed.
Right, this is the spot where people meet before going to the events.
Okay. Yeah, I was just at karaoke over at Quick Spar over there.
Quick Spar is a different world.
It's a little crazy, yeah. It was good. All right, I'm gonna look around, man. I'm gonna get some food. I might get some. What do you recommend?
For a start, have you already drunk coffee today? Are you into coffee or?
I am, yeah.
Coffee over here.
Coffee. I saw a smash burger on your Facebook.
They're not here today.
That's sad.
They have burgers.
There's a burger there. Okay.
Try the burgers.
Okay.
So try the takoyaki.
Coffee, burger, takoyaki.
First time here.
I'm gonna be so busog when I leave here, bro.
This is why I wanna suggest coffee first.
Okay.
Make you feel hungry.
All right.
Then there's CR inside the shop, so if you
Oh, that's good. That's good to know. Okay. All right. I'm gonna walk around and I'll get some coffee
Just
and.
to let you know, it's a free space.
Yeah.
So whatever you support to them goes to them directly. No middleman.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, Willow, is it?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, I'm Chris, man. Good to meet you, bro. Thank you very much, man. Hey, you guys were at the art night last night. Yeah, for sure, bro. That's awesome. You don't have the tequila and gin or anything today? Okay. All right, I'll look around. That matcha was good. I might get another one of those in a minute. Do you have more of those tonight? Okay. I'm gonna get one in just a second after I get some food. All right. Hey, bro.
I have real snake bone bracelet.
Snake bone.
Yeah. Sa real.
Where do you get snake bones from? Where do you get snake bones?
From my friend.
Your friend? Okay. All right. Mmm. I like this one.
Yeah, that one.
I like that.
It's fine.
Okay.
It's my handmade.
Okay. What material?
Yeah, the material of this, it's a clay. It's a pioneer clay.
Clay.
And that one, it's a carabao horn. It's a water
Carabao.
buffalo.
Okay, nice. How much are the pipes?
Different price. That one, it's a 500.
Uh-huh.
And that one's a 300.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about the bracelets?
Bracelet. That one, it's a 100. And that one, it's a 300. That one, it's a macrame bracelet.
Okay.
Yeah, it's my handmade.
Nice. Okay.
Very long process.
So you made all of this then?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
It's my carving, carvings.
Wow.
Yeah, I have it's a
The tooth of like a cat or
it's a
something?
task. No, it's a wild boar. It's a
Wild
task of
boar?
wild boar.
Oh, wow. Okay.
It's a real. This too. Dumaguete.
Can we get there?
Yeah, from Dumaguete.
Okay.
And that one, it's from South Cotabato, Mindanao. My friend.
Oh, cool, man.
That one is my handmade.
That's awesome, bro.
Yeah. Do something, I can give you a discount.
Okay.
The first customer.
Maybe I'll get
Yeah.
about, say, how about this one?
This one. Bracelet.
No, it's for my girlfriend, so I'll tie it on her, yeah. If I wear a bracelet, it falls off. I have to give to her.
That one is adjustable.
Okay, great. Are you here every week?
Yeah, every week, every Saturday.
Every Saturday. Cool, bro.
Where you from?
U.S.
US.
Uh,
It's a legal week.
legal, yeah. I'm from Denver, so it's very legal, yeah. You could just go to 7-Eleven and get, yeah, it's that easy. Yeah. I miss it. I've been here 2 years now. Yeah. But here, no, it's very, very bad. Yeah.
Smoke weed, it's not bad, it's not right.
Yeah.
This one is adjustable. This.
Okay.
This,
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great, man. Thank you. You got all the tricks. I like that, man. Hopefully Daisy likes that one.
Do you have blood or blood?
Yeah, just small YouTube channel. Just like 3,000 viewers, that's it. Yeah. Just starting. I've been living here 2 years, so I just hang out, I go eat, karaoke. There you go, boss. Thank you, my friend. Have a good night, bro. All right. Nice. Let's see. Whee. One bracelet in. Close. These shoes are awesome, but my feet are so big. There's no way they have my size. The biggest size they have in stores here is like a 45 or like a 11, maybe 12. I wear a 14 double wide. So Tarot cards. Takoyaki. Hey, boss. Good afternoon.
Nice coffee.
Yeah?
Some?
Sure.
Sure.
What's the best seller, my friend?
If you want sweet, I have a glassy caramel. But if you were to like Spanish, it's
Sure.
head high my own version.
Head high. Okay.
One
What do you recommend? What's your favorite?
head high.
Head high? We gotta do it then, bro. All right.
One ice.
Yes, please. It's so hot. I got to. Yeah.
Take your seat, sir.
Okay, cool. Thanks, man.
Also got stickers also.
Oh,
You left.
I love
Follow my
that.
page on Instagram.
Swell brew.
Yeah.
Let's see, put that up. Swell brew. Might get a burger too.
How long have you been here in the Philippines?
2 years.
2 years.
Yeah. In Lapu-Lapu.
In Lapu-Lapu.
Yeah. Are you from here, Cebu?
From Mindanao.
Mindanao. Oh, I'm moving to Mindanao soon. To Davao City.
Davao City.
Yeah.
I'm from Butuan in Karaoke region.
Okay.
Near Siargao.
Near Siargao. Okay, yeah. All right.
Used to live in Siargao also. I was a bartender there
Okay. How long you been here, man?
since 2015. But
Wow.
I went home during the pandemic 2020.
Yeah.
2022. And
Okay.
2021 I stayed in Siargao.
Still, 2015 is 10 years almost.
Almost.
Yeah, man. So is this your full-time thing?
Yeah.
Coffee? Damn. I like a nice hustle, man. That's cool. Yeah.
I also just finished my college degree
In-
doing this
Your college degree in what?
psychology.
Okay, that's what mine is in too. Yeah. All right. Yeah. I used to be a psychologist for like 5 years.
5 years.
Yeah. I'm old now. That was a long time ago.
Where in your
In US, in Colorado.
nice.
Yeah.
The weather there is nice, right?
It is. It's very cold most times.
Most
Right now it's summer, so it's like maybe only 30. I think that's the hottest it gets.
same like here.
Yeah, but only 3 months.
Only 3 months.
And then winter is like, it's snow. Yeah.
Winter is coming.
Yeah. But there it only rains like 5 days a year. It's dry all the time. Yeah. Even your skin is dry. You have to use lotion all the time. Yeah. But it's cool. You can, different for sure. Yeah. It's very humid here.
So the Philippines is like a nice weather.
I like it. Yeah. It's too hot for me, but the people are nice, so it makes up for it.
Okay.
You mind if I record you making
Sure.
it, bro? Is that condensed milk?
Yes, condensed milk,
Okay.
brother.
Oh,
Have you been to Siargao also?
No, I haven't.
haven't?
I avoid like the
Mainstream.
yeah, all the tourist places. I just go to like regular Filipino place.
You have to go to Surigao del Sur.
Del Sur.
Find it on Google. Cagwait.
Okay.
Those places are like secluded or like not really commercialized. Or
I like that. Yeah. That's awesome, man.
That's a nice place to stay also.
Okay. Like even I went through Bohol, but I didn't go to Peng Lao. I just went
Yeah.
all the rest of Bohol and like
The local spot.
exactly,
only.
bro. I'd go to a place and everyone would just be looking like, what is he doing here? Yeah, that's what I want
Yeah.
for sure, man.
But the people there like, really like living the simple lifestyle.
Yes, exactly. Exactly.
It's very raw, not yet commercialized.
That's what I like, you know?
You should be there.
That's what I want. Like shit, I wish I could live like that.
Yeah, you're going to Davao, so it's gonna be near.
Yes, very.
Maybe 3 to 4 hours.
Okay,
by land.
that's not bad.
Yeah.
And it's on the coast, right?
Yeah, on the coast.
Yeah.
If you go to Mati, then you just follow the coastal.
Okay.
You get there.
I'll talk to my girlfriend about that. We'll have to go on a trip there, man.
Thank you, sir. Try to look for it. Surigao del Sur.
Surigao del Sur.
Yeah.
Okay.
They call it Surigao del Sur because all the way to Davao it's
Uh-huh.
facing the Pacific Ocean.
Okay. What does Del Sur mean? Does it have a
South.
south? Okay.
So Surigao del Norte in Surigao is the northern part of Surigao.
Okay. All right, that makes sense now. What is this stuff you got?
Just like expired inks.
Ah, you do tattooing too?
I have friends and I've tried tattooing myself.
Okay.
My piece.
Oh shit. Okay, that's cool.
But only for myself. I want to practice also.
All right. You need people to volunteer, I think. These cookies look amazing.
Orange. Ang hibiscus na okay, orange ang ay ang garnish, di ba? Lemon mo itong ginaputan. Teka lang ako orange. Ito sa cocoa wave.